Could you please
Hi.
share your screen?
Okay, Ravani. Good morning.
Good morning.
Share my screen now.
Open your document on activity guide. Go through
Okay.
the topics and walk me
Uh,
over to you, Sai Padala.
this is my activity guide. Managing today, I'm explaining about managing security and data management and managing forms. Now I'm explaining about managing security, assigning access to dimension members. On the home page and click on navigator on the click on dimensions, make sure account dimension is selected dimension field. Select the account which you are created earlier. First go to the application, click on navigator, select the dimensions under the create and manage, select the dimension card, select the dimension drop down, so select the account dimension. I'm previously created a account total account. Let's turn on to the activity guide. Click on assign access to icon from the access action drop down. Um, drop down. Now go to the group tab. Click on the add access. Select the service administrator group. Give the right access. Go to the application. Select the total account. Click on actions. Under the actions assign access. Click on assign access. Give the assign access. Click on group part. Click on plus symbol. Select the service administrator. Type of access is the right access. Click on add. Add of user success. Close. Service administrator assign. Click and close. Just turn under the activity guide. Repeat. Next, select the entity dimension and select the entity en01 underscore 05. Turn under the application, select the dimensions, drop down, select the entity, expand the total geography, expand the segments, select the en01, en01, expand this to select, give the access to en01 underscore 05, click the actions menu, give the assign access. Now let's turn on the activity guide. Access the service administrator. Role is the service administrator. Click on groups. Click on plus symbol. Click on service administrator. Assign is the service administrator. Type access is the right access. You can add. Successfully added to the user. Close, close it. Close it. Let's turn on the activity guide. Click the steps right access. en016 give the access and en01 underscore 06 to the access. Under access. Select the en01 underscore 06. Click on access. There's an access. Click on groups. Click on plus symbol. Select the service administrator. Type access is the right access. And right access. Click on add. Successfully added service administrator. To close this. Turn under the activity here. The SN access is completed. Next is the defining valid introductions. Defining valid introductions. Click on home page, click on application cluster, and click on the valid introduction part. Click on home page. Click on application cluster under the valid introduction part. click on valid introduction card. Let's turn under the activity gate. Click on create. Click on create. Create the valid introductions. Simple sample valid introductions. Name is the sample valid introductions. Click on application. Name is the simple valid introductions. Valid introduction. First turn under the activity gate. Open the next place. Click on the drop down arrow, select the anchor dimension and select the account dimension. Go into the application, click on the drop down list, select the account dimension. Go to the activity gate. Now add the dimension, click on add the dimension, make the combination with the anchor dimension, add the dimension, select the entity. To create the rule and click on add the rule, click on the down arrow, next account and click on the edit. Go to the application, add the dimension, entity, add the role, click on add a role, click on edit the account dimension, first on the activity gate. Account dimension is with the part of action, first jump to the account, select the operating income in the account dimension. Operating. Select the operating income, click on OK. Go to the activity gate. Click on the gear icon and click on remove the account dimension. Now go to the entity tab and enter the EN01. Turn under that. Click on edit the entity dimension. Click on edit. Select the EN01 entity. Expand the total geography. Expand the total segments. Select the EN01. Click on OK. The entity dimension will be added. Entity dimension member is added. Go to the activity gate. And then next page. Click on function shutter and EN01. Select the next to the descendants, I descendants. Give the I descendants. Remove the entity from the selections. Cancel. Click on edit the. Click on function factor. Click on I descendants. Click on OK. Click on save and close. The sample valid introduction will be created in the valid introductions. Let's go to the activity gate. Next, loading data using the data management. Open the next page. Set up and run the data load. First, you click on the navigator icon and select the data management. Now select the step tab and click on the import tab on the application. On the application, go to the application. Click on navigator. Select the data management under the integration card. Select the data management. the separate window will be open. Click on Search tab. Select the import option. These all are previously I created input formats. Now I'm creating a new one. Uh, go to the activity guide. Go to the activity. Click and add. Create a new import format. Click and add. Name is the if underscore FCCS. Description is the import format to load the data. Go to the application. Click and add. Name is the underscore FCCS. FCCS. Out of the application. Activity gate. This description is the import format to the load data. Go to the application. Description is the import format. Load data. Load data. Go to the activity gate. The file type is delimited numeric data. File delimiter is at 5. Click on save. Go to the application. File type is the delimited numeric data. The file delimiter pipe. Click and save. The import format will be saved in the info summary. Let's go to the activity gate. The source file DMD import format .txt is available in the labs folder. Account dimension is the 1. Go to the application. Account dimension is the 1. Amount is the 7. Source column is account. Account. To check your import format file, account is the 1. Account is the 1. Amount column. Amount column is the 7. Amount column is the 7. Amount column is the 7. Go to the activity gate. Entity the 2. Entity is 2. To select the target application. Format. Set the target application. Click on edit. Select the numbers. Performance. Performance and setting. Just the target application. FCCS demo. Account, entity. Select the dimensions here. Amount, entity, intercompany, moment, multi-gap, product. Let's go to the activity gate. Account, entity, intercompany. Yeah. Gap. Solution. Solution. Select the consolidation. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. To the appliance entity. Test scenario player. Activity guide. Count amount entity. Okay. Let's go to the click and save. Select the constellation. Type is the constellation. Application of FCCS demo. Prefix is if underscore. Click OK. The target application will be created. Click on the application. Click on navigator. Click on data management. Click on the data management will be open. Select the step page. Select the step page. Click on target application. Click on add symbol to create the target application. Click on local. Type is the constellation. The application name is the FCS and FCS demo underscore demo. It's effects underscore. Give the prefix. Click on OK. Select the data constellation, multi-gap, product. Select the dimensions, multi-gap, product, movement, entity, account, intercompany. Remove this from currency. This currency also. Click and save. If underscore FCS demo will, target application will be created. Next, go to the import format. Click and add symbol to create the import format. Name is the if underscore FCCS. The file type is the delimited numeric. Target application, click on search button, click on reset, click on search. If underscore FCS demo, click on OK. The file delimiter is the pipe. Select the pipe, click on save. The info format will be created and created. Account 1, 2. Give the UDA number. Click on OK. Click on save. Click on import format. Select the import format. Account is the 1. Amount. Amount is 7. Amount is 7. Isolation 8. Entity 2. Enter company. Enter company 5. Enter company 5. Enter company 5. The application. Moment is moment is 3. 2, 3. Moment is 3. Next product gap. Gap is 4. Gap is 4. Product 6. Go to the application file. Select once. Two, 3. Product is the 4. 6. Gap is the 6. Go to the application, click on save. Info format will be saved. Let's go to the location. Click and create. Go to the activity gate. Open the next page. Click on location in the search tab. Click on location. Add the new location. Until the name is the LOC underscore FCS. Or to the application. LOC underscore FCCS. For format is if underscore FCSD. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click and save. Save the location will be saved. Location will be created. Location of FCCS. Let's go to the activity guide. Plus the location of FCCS will change POV. Click on data mapping in the workflow tab. Click on workflow tab. Select the data load mapping. First you need to change the location. Click on location. Click on magnetic symbol. Reset the reset location. Search the locations. Location underscore FCS. Click on OK. It is the John 20. Like the John 20. Select the paid also. Select the John 20. Carry the actual. Click on OK. Let's go to the activity gate. Plus. Enter the following details. Location is paid as a John 20. Click on OK. Okay. You now from the mapping from the account dimension, click on the like mapping tab and enter the following details. You click on add. So over to the application. Select the like mapping. Click on add. Stores value with a star. Target value also star. Role name is the A1. Click and save. The account mapping is saved. Select the constellation next tab. Leave the source of star C1. Click and save. Next one is the data. Data means amount. So the star D1. Click and save. Entity. Select the entity. Click and add. To the source values star. Leave the stars. En E1. Click and save the entity mapping. Next one is the intercompany. Click and add. Give the star. Target value of the star. ICP. Click and save. The intercompany mapping will be saved. Next one is the movement. Click on the star M1. Then save. Click on next dimension is the multi gap. Click on add. Star. Click and save. The multi-gap mapping will be created. Click on add the product mapping. Star P1. Click and save. The data mapping will be created. Let's turn under the activity gate. Provide the following details. Click on data load role in the workflow tab. Click and add the create new data load role. Provide the following details. Name is the DL underscore FCS. Data load role for the FCS. Go to the application. Click on data rule under the workflow tab. Click on data rule. Click on plus symbol, create the new data load rule. BL underscore FCCS and FCCS. Import format, select the import format IF underscore, then okay. Select the file name. Upload your local browser. You can choose the file. Select the local disk C. DM data. Click on open. Click on OK. Select the DMD data import file. Click on OK. Click on save. After go to the activity guide. Click on save. Click on execute the data rule. Select the order, provide the details, import file. Go to the file. Click on OK. Go to the application. Execute the data load rule. Enable this import format export format. Period is the Jan 20, ending period is the Jan 20. Click run. Click and run. The data row will be run. Click and refresh. Click and refresh. Click and refresh. Once go to check the stuff. Workflow. Click on workflow. Click on data rule mapping. You can change the location also. You can change the location. Here location. Okay. And so data rule. The data rule. Click and execute the file. Click and select the import format. So import from source. Export to target. You can enable these options. Start period, end period. Select the start period and end period. Import format is the replace. Export mode is the mode. Merge. Click and run. Click and run. Refresh the data row. Refresh. Go to check the process details here. Click and refresh. Click and refresh. Click and refresh. Go to check the workload bench. Load workbench. You can see the import format fish validate export. The successfully exported the data file. Let's go to the activity guide. You previously see the three fishes in the workload data workbench. Let's go to the Export data. What are the view the export data in the FCCS application navigator home, navigate to the home page, click on rules card and select the launch the constellation rule. For the following details, launch the phase entity dimension EN01 entity enter the period John, enter the scenario actual, enter the year is FY20, click on launch, go to the application. Go to the application. Click on navigator. Select the rules code here. Launch the constellation rule. Select the entity. Entity is the EN01. Period is the John. Select the period. Expand this total year total. Expand this year HY1. Expand this Q1. Select the John. Period is the John. Click on OK. The scenario actual entity enter the year is the FY20. Click and launch the business rule. Let's go to the activity gate. Launch the rule. The click and data code and set the intercompany folder. Go to the application. Launch the constellation rule, constellation business rule. Successfully the constellation rule as run successfully. Click on OK. Click on home icon. Select the application cluster and the job card. Click on job card. You can see the constellation successfully completed. Check the jobs card. Go to the application home page. Click on home page. Select the data card. Select the data card. Click on activity gate. Next, click on FCCS underscore income statement by period. Open from the form. Enter the following details in the POV. Scenario the actual, year is the FY20, U is the periodic, entity is the EN01 underscore 005. Constellation is the entity input, data source is the total input and adjustment. Let's go to the application. These all are free depend forms when creating the application. Click on expand the FCS underscore income statement. Go to the activity gate. Select the FCS underscore income statement by period. Click on open the form. The form will be opened. Scenario actual, year is the 20, periodic, U is the periodic. Entity is the EN0 underscore 05. First you select the POV, set the POV, expand the segments, expand the EN01. Select the EN01 underscore 05 New York, click on OK. The click and go. After select the after go to the activity guide. Data source is the total adjustment, total input and adjustment. Go to the application. The data source is select the data source. Total adjustment and total input and adjustment. Select the member. Click on OK. Click and go. Go to the data management. Go to the application. In application, select the entity en01 and expand the en01. Select the en01 underscore. Click on OK. Click and go. And go. Data will be appearing in the form. Data will be shown in the form. Let's go to the activity guide. Select the next page. Next, managing the data. Click on open the next page. The importing data from the file. Now on the home page, click on the application cluster under the then click on the overview card. Click on the actions drop down and select the import data. Click and create. Now browse for the file your system. File name is the import format underscore data dot csv. Location is the lab. Go to the application. Click on home page. Select the application cluster under the Vowry card. Select the Vowry card. Click on actions menu. Drop down. Click on drop down. Select the import format. Import data. Click and create. Let's go to the activity guide. Click on import. The application to the source file. Click on open. Then click on import. The import job submitted successfully in successfully import data. Click and close. Click and close. Let's go to check the job code. The import successful or not. The import is under the processing. Import is under the processing. Click and refresh. Click and refresh continually. And refresh. The import format is process under the processing. Go to the activity guide. Click and refresh. Let's go to the activity guide. Next, copy and clearing the data. Click on the application cluster under the click on Vowry card. Select the Vowry card. The click and action menu drop down and select the copy data. Select the copy data. Let's go to the application. Click on Vowry card. Click on access menu. Click on select the copy data. Click and create. Select the regular data or Vowry data, red data, and red data. I'm selecting regular data. Scenario the actual. Select the POV. Scenario the actual. Here is the FY20. The FY20. It is the John. It is the John. Entity is the expanded segments. Select the EN0 expanded. Select the EN01. underscore 07. Click on OK. Data source. Click on expand the total data source. Expand the total existence. Total content engagement. Select the manage data. Click on OK. The target application the required field the copy to the particular members. Period is the John. Here is the FY20 scenario the actual. Now entity is the EN01_04. Click and save. Name is the copy. Copy data. And save. Click and run the job. Do you want to continue? Yes, click on yes. The job is submitted. See the job consult for more than information. Cancel. Go to the job code. Can say see the copy or not. Data will be copied. Completed. Copy data will completed successfully. Let's turn on the activity gate. To the activity gate. Change the entity EN01 and click and go. Verify the data form. Go to the data code. Click on home page. Select the data code. Select the income statement by period. Change the entity member. Connect. Change the entity member. Click on select the EN01 and Singapore 2. Click on OK. Click on go button. Data will be copied. Data will be copied EN01_07 to EN01_04. Copy the data. Let's go to the activity gate. To the clear the data from the home page. Click on the Wauri application cluster. Select the clear data under the actions. Go to the application. Go to the home page. Select the application cluster under the Wauri card. Select the Wauri card. Click and select the access menu drop down. Click and expand. Select the clear data. Click and create. Scenario is the actual. Here FY20. Click on. Here is the FY20. Click on OK. Here is the John. Expand the year total. Expand the HY1. Expand the Q1. Select the John. Click OK. Entity is the expand the total geography. Expand the total segments. Select the EN01. Expand this. Select the Singapore 2. Click OK. Data source. Total data source. Click on total input and adjustments. Select the manage data. Click on OK. Click and run. Do you want to continue the clear data? The job is submitted. See the job console more than information. Click on OK. First close this tabs. Go to the job card. The clear data will be successfully completed. You can see this here. Let's go to the activity gate. The clear data. Verify the data has been cleared. No data will be available for the entity en01 en01 underscore 04 in the form. Go to the application, go to the home page, select the data card. You can see you can read this. The data will be cleared. The data will be cleared in the Singapore 2. The data will be created. Let's go to the activity guide. Now, next, managing forms. Next topic is managing forms. The creating forms. Click on home page, create the navigator cluster, and select the forms. Go to application. Click on navigator. Select the forms under the create and manage. Click on forms. Go to the activity guide. Give the name. Click on plus symbol. Click on plus symbol. Give the name as data forms. Click on OK. Create folder. Can create sample. Create some sample form. Go to the application. Library. First, you create the folder data form. Click on OK. The data folder successfully create the folder. Click on symbol. The form name is sample form. Activity gate. What is the activity gate? The newly created folder. Click on create a sample form. Enter the following details of property space. Name is the data entry. Name is the data entry. Data entry. Click on next. Go to the activity guide. The point of view intercompany currency multi-cap product. Go to the application. Second, go to the activity guide. Page with the year period scenario constellation. Year period scenario. Go to the application. Year. Set the page and POV. Set the page labels. Page year scenario period data source. Go to the activity guide. Year period scenario constellation data source. Year period scenario constellation. Year period scenario constellation. Constellation. Go to the activity guide. Column row is the moment and account. Row is the moment and account. Moment and account. Next, go to the activity guide. Column is the entity. Go to the activity. Application. Select the column also entity. You can set the POV. Next row one. We now add the two more rows. Click on the row one. Add row. Click on the application. Click on row one. Right click on the rows. add row. You can add row. Rows will be added. View the FCS periodic. Currency the entity currency. Order the set the POV. View the periodic. Select the periodic. Currency is the entity currency. Move on to the right side. Click on OK. The currency will be added. Let's go to the activity guide. Intercompany, no intercompany, no product, local gap. Intercompany, no intercompany. Select the no intercompany member. Expend this total intercompany top. Select the no intercompany. Move on to the right side. Click on OK. The product is a no product. Click on select the product. No product. Okay. Multi-cap is the local gap. Expand this IFRS. Select the local gap. Move on to the right side. Click on OK. The point of view will be set to the point of view. No, I'm set to the set to the point of view. Now let's go to the page level. Go to the activity guide. Scenario is the actual consolidation, the descent, the contribution total, I descendants. Go to the application. Here is the FI20. Here is the FI20. Select the FI20. Move on to the right side. Click on OK. Here is the John. Expand the total year total. Expand the H51. Expand the Q1. Select the John. Move on to the right side. Click on OK. Scenario is the actual. Move on to the right side. Click on OK. Go to the activity guide. The FCS underscore total, FCS underscore contribution total, I descendants. Go to the application. You can edit the constellation dimension. Select the contribution total. Function is the function. Select the function I descendants. Click on OK. Select the period also total period. View the fx function, the I descendants. Click on OK. Go to the activity here. The data source is the FCS underscore total data source. I descendants. Go to the application. Data source. Click on edit data source. View the I descendants. Click on OK. The page layer will be selected. Now coming to the row and columns. Go to the activity guide. Go to the next page. Change to the issue changes due to issue stock. Changes due to issue stock. Click on OK. Go to the application. The common stock account is the common stock. Click on edit the account. Select the member. Go to the activity guide. common stock. Common stock. The common stock. Move on to the right side. Click on OK. The first row will be added. Go to the next row. Click on edit. Go to the activity gate. The moment dimension number is the change in other current assets. Changes in other current assets. Changes. Current assets. Changes in other assets. Select the move on to the right side. Click on OK. The moment dimension will be selected. Go to the activity gate. The account number is the 4000. Click on edit the account dimension. Account dimension 4000. Search the 4000 account. Click and select the 4000. Move on to the right side. Click on OK. Next, row 3. Select the row 3. Click on moment dimension. Edit the moment dimension. Go to the activity gate. Changes in net income. Account is the 7000. Changes in net income. Select the changes in net income. Move on to the right side. Click on OK. The account dimension is 7000. Account dimension number is 7000. View the 7000. Search the icon. 7000. Select the 7000. Click on OK. Go to the activity gate. Last column and next is the column. Column is the entity. Select the constellation entities. Children. Go to the application. Edit the entity dimension also. Click on edit. Select the constellation entity. Give the function children. Click on OK. Click on save. The form has been saved successfully. Click on activity gate. And save. Or to the following screenshot attributes. Click and save on the business tools tab. Click on console. You can do the business tool. Go to the application. Go to the business tools. Give the constellation business tool. Move on to the right side. Click and save. The business tool successfully added to the form. Go to the activity gate. Go to the application. Click and finish the form. The form will be created data entity 1. Go to the application. Give the name is constellation data form. Go to the next page. Click and go to the layout tab, row 1, row 2. Go to the application. Click and edit the form. Earlier create the form. Click and layout. Remove the row 1 and row 2. Click and save. You can save as name is the constellation. Constellation form. Go to the activity gate. Name is the constellation data form. Go to the activity guide. Go to the application data form. Click on OK. The form will be created. You can save. Click and finish the form. Click and finish. The constellation form created or data entry form will be created. Go to the activity guide. Click and edit the constellation form. Click and edit the constellation form. Click and layout. The grid properties. Select the grid properties. Select the grid properties. Suppress missing data. Suppress missing data blocks. Go to the application. The suppress missing blocks and suppress missing data form. Data rows. Go to the activity guide. Click and save. Finish the form. The form will be created. Go to the application. Activity guide. The assigning the access to the forms. Go to application. Select the form. Select the data entity form. Give the assign access. Click on assign access symbol here. Select the groups. Click on plus symbol. Select the service administrator role. Type of access right. Click and add the access. Was successfully added to the role. Click and close. The service administrator role will be added to the entity data entity form. Close this. Go to the activity guide. That's it, Ravali. My side is done. Hello. Hello, Ravali. Hello.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm talking.
Completed.
Yeah, thank you, Sai Padala.
Okay, Ravali. Thank you.